like I'm coming back around, so I'm just gonna pull up in the truck and hop out and be like, boom, I got it, bitches.
Oh yeah?
Or I might even roll up and roll the window down and be like, boom, I got it, bitches. I got it, bitches. 2007 F250 6.0 Power Stroke Lariat. This bitch is fully loaded. I got an 8-foot bed for all the bitches I'm never gonna slay in the back of it. This thing's sick, dude. It's a sick piece of crap too. Got the, of course, the 6 blow underneath the hood, not studded, but it does have a it does have something broken over there. That's why it's hissing like crazy.
The gimbal is not happy with me. There we go.
But got my coolant filter on there. This dude spent like $4,000 in upgrades on this thing, but he did not stud it. I wish he would have just done that instead, but that's okay. Other than that, it's well taken care of. David was with me when we got it. Got it off some older dude, and then he bought it off some older dude. So this hasn't been owned by any trifling ass kids until me. So it's not broken yet, but it sure as hell will be because I have it. Clean interior for its age. Got the moonroof, all of the little creature comforts that you could pretty much get in 2007. Does not have cab lights, but that's okay. Already tinted the windows, already debagged the FX4 thing on the back. It's got a 4-inch Banks exhaust still with the cat on it. Look at how large this bed is. This thing is crazy.
Stud lights included.
Dude, got the 5th wheel hitch in there, which is dope.
Wow, we're some D-gens.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, hold on a second.
Are you gonna crack one open?
I can just sit here with the boys, crack open a freaking warm one. I'm gonna let the liquor do the thinking now, Randy. This thing is sick. So I should probably. I don't really need that. That is so warm. Oh, it got a little bit of tune on it. That's where this smoke's coming from. It's dope. I didn't clean it at all for this video, so it looks like shit. Also, I gotta show you something. I already left my mark on it. So I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick this up. But here, normally this is attached and I cut it because I hate that. And as I was cutting it, my knife came up and hit the truck right there. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can see that. So, yeah, that's some grade 8 bullshit, but it is what it is. Anyway, this thing's sick. It's slicker than snot. And I'm gonna make it wide AF for all the haters. I can't wait to just sit super wide on some forges. Bitch is gonna hate. But I don't give a David. I give a I already got my off-road rig. Oh yeah, this thing's lit. That's pretty much it. That's the whole video. I don't think there's anything